Don't tell them. I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna tell them. You wanna know how I get really good prices on my wax melt supplies? You do want to know that, don't you? Let me make a cup of tea and then I'll tell you. Did you see that? I totally poured the water on the counter. Okay, do you know those Facebook groups where everybody's selling all their supplies and things like that? If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to get on Facebook, go to the groups section and search for buy and sell groups for like candle supplies and soap supplies and things like that, because in those groups you can get amazing deals on fragrance oils, tart containers, whatever, wax. Like, just pick up some supplies from there, like, that people are getting rid of, because after like the crap that went on the last couple of years, lots of people started businesses and they can't maintain them because they just did it for a quick buck and they're not really in it for the long haul. And there's tons of businesses closing down. I mean, you don't even have to start your own business or brand anymore. You can just go buy somebody who's closing out, because everybody's just being sellouts right now and just closing down. And really, the people who are going to last the longest are the ones that don't quit. So if you're wondering if you should quit or not, because right now is a slow time, if you just simply don't give up and don't quit, you'll win, because everybody else is just not doing that. Something a little bit ridiculous in my like office right now. So this is my fragrance oil collection right now, and it's like pretty excessive because I bought a ton of fragrance oils from some people who were just closing out, and I got a really good deal on them. And that's one of the biggest secrets. And then I got a whole bunch of these for really cheap from a person who was getting rid of like 800 of them. So I've got a box here of them that were a lot less than what I had paid from the supplier. And then of course I need some wax to fill up the containers with and to use the fragrance oils up with. So I just said, oh, hey, does anybody have any tart wax they want to get rid of? And somebody was like, yeah, I got some. And then I got it for the same price that I would have had to pay minus the shipping cost. So like I saved the shipping and got the same product. So get on those Facebook groups and just ask, because you never know what you're going to find. And if you don't mind piecing together bits and pieces, like I'm just going to make wax melts with all those little tiny fragrance bottles and stuff, and I don't care. So if you don't care, then just do that. If you liked my secret ninja tip, shh, don't tell anybody. Definitely don't tell your competition. This is like, keep it on the down low.